Are you looking for the best carpet cleaners for pets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best carpet cleaners for pets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Hoover Compact Carpet Cleaner. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Washer FH50150PC is one of the most popular and best-selling carpet cleaners on the market. It is a lightweight and compact design that is easy to use and store. The powerful cleaning of the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Washer FH50150PC is good for pet messes, high-traffic areas, and small spaces. The Heat Force feature dries the carpets quickly so you can get back to using them soon. The 2x more cleaning power than the competitive lightweight carpet cleaners is an added bonus. The Hoover Nozzle Cleanout Tool and Hoover Trial Size Solution are included with purchase too. At number 2, Bissell Multi-Purpose Carpet Cleaner. Bissell's commitment to helping pets extends beyond just selling products. With every purchase, a portion of the proceeds goes towards the Bissell Pet Foundation, which is dedicated to saving homeless pets. The Deep Clean Deluxe Pet Carpet Cleaner was designed with pet parents in mind, as it comes equipped with a number of features to make cleaning up after your furry friend a breeze. From its large tank capacity to its strong spray and suction, this carpet cleaner will make short work of any pet stain. Plus, it comes with a 3-inch tough stain tool, Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool, and an 8 ounces trial size spot and amp, stain with Febreze freshness formula, so you have everything you need to get started. At number 3, Bissell ProHeat Carpet Cleaner. Looking for a carpet cleaner that will help you remove tough stains and odors, while also supporting a good cause? Look no further than the Bissell Pet Foundation Carpet Cleaner. This powerful carpet cleaning system features 12 rows of rotating dual dirt lifter power brushes, making it ideal for removing deep down embedded stains, dirt, and odors. The included Clean Shot pre-treater also makes it easy to target tough stains. What's more, the Bissell Pet Foundation Carpet Cleaner is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture, making it perfect for busy homes with pets. It also comes with a bonus 3-inch tough stain tool and 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool, making it easy to remove pet hair, stains, and odors from upholstery. And when you're finished cleaning, the Easy Clean brush roll cover makes it quick and easy to clean the machine. So why wait? Get the Bissell Pet Foundation Carpet Cleaner today and help support a good cause while you clean your carpets. At number 4, Bissell Professional Carpet Cleaner. Bissell's commitment to pet health extends beyond their own products. The company proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, whose mission is to help save homeless pets. This foundation has saved over 1.5 million pets since it was established, and Bissell has been a major contributor. Bissell's professional-grade cleaners outperform the leading rental machines. The company's products have a power rating of 12 amps, and their XL Dirt Lifter power brush can loosen and lift embedded dirt with 8 rows of bristles. The 9-foot-long reach hose and 6-inch tough stain tool make it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. When used with Bissell's ProMax Clean with Protect formula, this carpet cleaner can remove tough, ground-in dirt and stains. The 2 large tanks keep clean and dirty water separate, and the adjustable handle allows you to select the height that is comfortable for you. The 25-foot power cord provides extra reach and easy maneuverability. At number 5, Bissell Cordless Portable Carpet Cleaner. Bissell's line of carpet cleaners is a great way to keep your carpets clean and free of pet stains and messes. The machines are powerful and easy to use, and the cordless convenience makes it easy to grab and go. The formula is also conveniently stored in the machine, so you don't have to mix it with water. The charge time is only 4 hours, and the run time is a full 15 minutes. Plus, the Bissell Pet Foundation helps support homeless pets. The newest version of the Bissell Carpet Cleaner has increased tank capacity, making it even easier to clean large areas. Plus, the formula is now even more powerful, making it ideal for removing tough stains. Whether you have light stains or heavy-duty messes, the Bissell Carpet Cleaner is a great choice. At number 6, Hoover SmartWash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is a powerful and effective carpet cleaner that is specifically designed for homes with pets. The triggerless design automatically mixes and dispenses solution as you push forward, and the Stain Chaser pre-treat wand detaches from the machine to provide instant cleaning action for set-in stains. The Flex Force Pet Power Brushes clean deep and resist pet odor buildup while removing dirt, debris, and pet messes from your home. The dry-only mode in combination with Heat Force speeds up drying time so you can get back to your busy life quickly. At number 7, Rug Doctor Pet Portable Cleaner. Looking for a powerful and compact spot cleaner that can handle even the toughest pet messes? Look no further than the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner Machine. This handheld spot cleaner features dual-action rubberized bristles that remove pet hair, tough stains, and odors with ease. It also comes with a retractable handle and carpet-friendly wheels, making it perfect for everyday cleaning, touch-ups, or deep-down cleaning. Plus, the dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate for a professional-grade clean. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.